Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
BJP used the science of sabhas or magical mega meetings for successful poll politics in Goa. Here is a special report about the gains and losses based on these public meets. BJP National President JP Nadda and Union Home Minister Amit Shah frequently visited Goa since the run-up to the elections began in 2021. They were joined by other star campaigners and union ministers Rajnath Singh, Nitin Gadkari and Smriti Irani, along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi to culminate the electoral exercise for victory. The party held about 25 sabhas in Goa before the elections. Here's a look at the strike rate of the sabhas. Nitin Gadkari. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari addressed sabhas at the following places. In Thivi, where BJP candidate Nilkanth Halankar won. In Perne, where BJP candidate Praveen Arlekar won. Gadkari released the party manifesto, the Sankalp Patra. In Panaji, where BJP candidate Babush Monserrat retained the BJP bastion held by Manohar Parrikar previously, despite a fierce battle with his son Utpal Parrikar. However, BJP candidate Dayanand Mandrekar lost in Seoli to Congress candidate Delilah Lobo, leading to a track record on 3 wins and 1 loss. Smriti Irani. Smriti Irani addressed sabhas in the following places. In Shiroda, where BJP candidate Subhash Shirodkar won. In Sangay, where BJP candidate Subhash Phaldesai won. In Kanakona, where BJP candidate Ramesh Tawadkar won. However, BJP candidates lost in Kunkoli and Margaon respectively to Congress candidates, leading to a track record of 3 wins and 2 losses. JP Nadda. Jagat Prakash Nadda addressed sabhas in the following places. In Priol, where BJP candidate Govind Gaude won. In Shiroda, where BJP candidate Subhash Shirodkar won. In Valpoi, where BJP candidate Vishwajit Rane won. However, BJP candidates lost in Kumbarzua and Kepe to Congress candidates. In Madkai, to MGP Sudin Davlikar, and in Bicholi to independent candidate Dr. Chandrakant Shetye, leading to a track record of 3 wins and 4 losses. However, the post-poll support, the losses have reduced to 2. Amit Shah. Amit Shah addressed sabhas in the following places. In Sankheli, where BJP candidate and Chief Minister Pramod Sawant won. In Ponda, where BJP candidate Ravi Naik won. Amit Shah also went on door-to-door campaign in Mae, where BJP candidate Premendra Sheth won. However, BJP candidate Rajesh Patnekar lost in Bicholi, leading to a track record of 3 wins and 1 loss. Rajnath Singh. Rajnath Singh addressed sabhas in the following places. In Priol, where BJP candidate Govind Gaude won. In Ponda, where BJP candidate Ravi Naik won. In Vasco, where BJP candidate Daji Sarkar won. Rajnath Singh had an amazing track record with all wins and no losses. Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed a mega sabha on 10th February prior to the polls to culminate the BJP's effort to ensure victory in Goa. The sabha was held at Mapsa, where BJP candidate Joshua D'Souza won, holding on to the fort of victory in the centre of Bardez, where his father, Francis D'Souza, won many times as MLA. The overall BJP track record shows that they won at 16 places and lost at 7 places where the sabhas were held. This affirms that BJP's poll politics is centered around the magic of mega meets and science of sabhas.